Oh my god. Beautiful shoe, man. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 5 DB Low that was created by Michael Wilson. Let's waste no time and dive right into it. We are at the beautiful Nike Las Vegas inside the forum shops at Caesar's Palace. Let's check it out. They do have a few DBs. Oh, I love the gold on these. Very clean shoe. I thought the Blazers were a very clean colorway as well. And then they have the Janowskis too. Ooh. Just saw these. I love these. These are so nice. Ooh. So clean. Very, very nice. So baby dunks. There is so much heat sitting. Dang. Then some brave blue 13s. We saw these on the lows a long time ago. But the Jade 5 Horizons. Pretty nice. I like that pink. But yeah, that's pretty. Oh, one more. The Uno. Pretty nice. We don't have time to run into Urban Necessities today, but we do have a separate video up on that if you do want to check it out. Hopefully next time, and I will be making another video here soon. It's just literally the best sneaker shop in Las Vegas. Alrighty, y'all, we are back from Nike Town, Las Vegas. Wow, that was... I can't remember the last time I went to Nike Town and they had that much stuff there. But yeah, we secured the DB Lows. Very, very excited retail cop. But yeah, let's waste no time and go ahead and get these shoes out of here. The DB Freestyle box. These are actually my first pair of DBs. Hopefully I'm able to get some more soon. I think probably next I'm gonna try and cop those Blazers. Those were so dope, and especially the blood on the bottom. Very cool. Since 2004, the Nike and Doernbecher partnership has raised over $30 million for the hospital, which is amazing. I really like this line. I feel like it's a line that all sneakerheads can come together and just appreciate. It's such a cool story behind every single shoe, and I really like this one just because of how many details Michael Wilson put into this shoe. But let's go ahead and take a look at this box. These were originally released on eBay, and then after we saw a wider release, size 9.5. Doernbecher Freestyle on the top, Doernbecher right, wrong side, Doernbecher right there, another Freestyle logo, and then nothing too much on the bottom. Under this lid is going to be some information about Michael Wilson, so let's go ahead and take a look. I did some research. He does have Krebs disease, which is a disease that attacks the protective coating of nerve cells in the body. Looking at this lid, we get more information on the Nike and DB partnership. We get Michael Wilson smiling. Michael Spitfire Wilson is a perpetually positive kid with a serious love for airplanes, sharks, and mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is so good. I might have to get some after. But his high-flying shoe features all of the above, along with cool interchangeable patches so you can wear it your way. Michael says he's thrilled for the chance to give back to the doctors who helped save his life as an infant. Without them, I would not be in the world today. That is why I love this partnership so much, because the proceeds from the shoe will be able to help more patients and help the doctors get what they need to treat people. So, you know, big respects to Nike for that. Inside, ooh, I can see a little sneak peek of the shoe, but inside we have this white paper featuring the Doernbecher Freestyle logo in silver, and then a Doernbecher sticker that was placed on the shoe. As always, I will give you guys first look. Here we go. Okay. The colors look pretty vibrant. I want to see those shark eyes. Oh my god. Beautiful shoe, man. Michael, you killed it. Look at those shark eyes. I love the shark eyes because the Air Jordan 5 was designed after fighter jet, so this whole thing goes together. And if you guys know me, I love color, and this shoe just has a ton of color and a ton of details. So sick. Ooh, green laces. If you guys watched the other video, you guys know how much I love the small amenities that come in shoes. Green laces, big thumbs up. And let's go ahead and dive right into these shoes. Alright, so starting from the bottom, we have the classic Air Jordan 5 outsole. The Air Jordan 5 was actually the first ever Jordan to feature the icy bottoms, and then it also featured the 3M on the tongue, but this shoe does not have it. But anyways, we do have a shark enjoying some mac and cheese, and then on the left we have an hourglass moving. Ooh. Man, I dropped so many shoes, man. That's a problem, but it's all good. We have a kind of cream midsole featuring some red shark teeth. We have the icy outsole riding up to the midsole, and then the air bubble is orange. Very, very clean. I love that they actually did some color inside the air bubble. We have red suede, and then the toe box is blue suede with mac and cheese embossed. I think that's probably one of my favorite aspects of this shoe, that toe box. It looks amazing. Then we have the Doernbecher, which is a tiny piece of mac and cheese dripping with cheese. Then we have orange, and then we have the shark eyes or laser eyes. Michael said if he could have any superpower, it'd be laser eyes, so these are supposed to represent that. Again, super, super dope. And then we can see this pull to eject hang tag that only comes on the right shoe. He wants to be a pilot when he grows up, so that is a nod to that aspiration. And then on both shoes, the pull tabs say pull to eject. Again, we also have the blue suede with the mac and cheese right around that sock liner. On the back, we have the Jordan Jumpman with MDW, which are his initials embroidered on the back of the shoe. We have green suede. I'm really digging this green. That's a clean green, and then you can match it with the laces. Super, super sick. And then we have flight embroidered on the heel. Behind it we have take, so take flight. Super sick. And then on the medial view of the shoe, instead of the laser eyes, we get a Nike logo. The sock liner features some of Michael's designs, and then if you take a closer look at the area around the tongue, it says take flight. And then this definitely is so sick. If I had my own Air Jordan 5 or 4 and saw my name on it, I'd just be blown away. It says Air Michael. That is definitely one of my favorite parts of this shoe. I'm really loving how much color there is on this shoe. Yellow insole. On the right one, you get a Jordan Jumpman. On the left one, you get another design of his, which is a flaming skull. On the tongues, it is a Velcro material, so you can use these patches that are included and customize it to your own liking. We are laced up with blue laces, but like I mentioned, we do get some green ones. And then we have clear and orange lace lock at the top. Quality control looks amazing too, which is super nice for the consumer. I just love how vibrant this shoe is. I kind of want to wear this shoe, but at the same time, I just want to appreciate his design and everything he put into this shoe. I am honored to have Michael Wilson's Air Jordan 5 DB as my first ever DB in the collection. Hopefully over time I will be able to secure more. Those Air Forces were dope too. This year has been an amazing year for sneakers. Make sure you guys stay tuned. There's just so much cool stuff that is dropping, and I will have a bunch of videos out. We're going to SneakerCon soon. We're gonna make some fun videos. So many more sneaker unboxing, sneaker shopping videos, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We're on the road to 850 right now. Our bigger goal is 1K, and we will be having a giveaway at 1K, so make sure you stay tuned. Let me know if you guys were able to cop this super dope pair of shoes. Shout out to Michael Wilson. As always, I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Let me know you guys' thoughts on this shoe. Till next time, guys, thanks for staying tuned. Peace. Let me know if you guys were able to cop these beautiful pair of shoes. Hopefully you guys will be so I think that is so much color. I'm really enough, so much. That's just, you know, it's, and I look down and see my air. It's a really nice green suede. I don't think I've seen color green on the shoe like this before. Very, very nice. Oh, this is the right one in this world, in the world. The Doernbecher and Nike partnership began, but yeah. Alrighty, y'all, we are back.